Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. In today's edition of What's on the Porch, I finally have my BoxyCharm Base box. And sadly, this is my very last box because I have canceled. BoxyCharm has gone up, which everybody is going up. It's the way of the world now. Everything's changing because of all of the issues and the problems. Even where I work, we have had to go up on things. It's just the way it is. I'm not mad at them for going up on their prices. However, they sent out an email saying they were going up on the premium box and that you could lock the price in, the old price, if you subscribed for a year. So I did, so that I would save that money. But to be able to continue to get my BoxyCharm Premium, they did not mention they were going up on their base box as well. So then after that, they sent an email saying they were going up on their base box too, and you could lock the price in for a year. Well, I'm not locking in both for a year. If I had known they were going up on the base box too, I would have opted to sign up for the base box for a year because it's cheaper, and I would have saved myself some money because the base box is nice as well. So let's see what we got. I have cut it. I have not looked. I have not watched any unboxing, so I have no idea. Same theme as the premium box, Gift of Glam. It has all of the products on the back with the MSRPs and the variation number, which means absolutely nothing to me. I could care less. Oh, oops, I am knocking stuff over. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. And we're going to start off at the top with these beauty blenders. These are Bella sponges, it says. I'm not going to try to pronounce that word. Y'all know I don't do a good job of pronouncing stuff. These retail for $24. My goodness. And it says it's a Boxy exclusive. Blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with the super soft, whatever the name of those Bella sponges are. So there you go. They do feel nice and soft. I have a ton of sponges, but I don't know. We'll see about those. And then we have Algenist, I think is how you say that. This is Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm with multi-peptide complex. Alrighty, this retails for $68, and it says it's brand new to Boxy. It's a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. 10 days. Okay, well, you can see all of the lines and wrinkles and the crow's feet, and my eyes are puffy, and they're starting to look a little dark because I have not been sleeping. I'm working on that. 10 days. So I'm going to test this out and let y'all know. You will be able to visibly see in 10 days whether or not this is working. So let's see what the product looks like. That's a little bitty jar for $68, y'all. There it is. It really does not have any smell to it. It's nice and thick. It feels good. No smell. I love that it doesn't have any smell to it. So I will definitely be giving that a try and let y'all know if that's working or not. Let's see. It has a 12-month shelf life, and I don't see anything on the box about whether or not it's cruelty-free. However, the writing, as you can see, is very tiny. So I will have to dig out the magnifying glass here in a little bit and check that to see if it's cruelty-free. And the next thing we have is this Vanilla Bean Lip Mask. Intensely moisturizes, prevents moisture loss, softens and smooths. And this is Whish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchiol. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pronounce this word once correctly. One moment, please. Bakuchiol. 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 I was way off the mark. It's Bakuchiol. I'm not going to remember that in about 5 minutes. So, this says, are your lips missing the moisture that they crave and desire? The Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchiol is the answer to their wish, W-H-I-S-H. The rich and buttery smooth mask melts deep into your lips as you sleep, preventing long-lasting intense moisture, providing, not preventing, it provides, long-lasting intense moisturization. Say goodbye to those cracked and peeling lips and hello to dewy soft goodness for an MSRP of $32. I don't normally do lip masks. I'm not a lip mask kind of girl, but I might just give this a try because I don't normally. Let's see if it's sealed. It is not sealed. It has a nice light fragrance to it. There's a little bit there on the side. That feels really good. I don't know if you can see it. See how it's... That smells familiar, but it smells really good. So I'm going to give that a try too, since this is my last base box. And then we have Mellow Cosmetics Lip Pencil in that shade that doesn't have a name. Oh, here's the name. It's Rose. Designed and developed in Australia. Follow Mellow Cosmetics on Instagram, which I do. I have looked at quite a few of their palettes, but I have not pulled the trigger on that. This retails for $32. No. Nope. 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 This retails for $15. See, that sounds a whole lot better, doesn't it? This gel formulated, oh, it's a gel lip pencil. Glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. There's what it looks like. Very pretty color. And there's the color. Are you picking that up? Are you focusing? Focus, focus. There we go. Very pretty color. So we'll see if that dries down. I will be keeping that as well. And the last item in my box already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Is Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Luminizer and Blush Palette. Pretty packaging. This incredibly soft and blendable luminizer and blush palette gives you instant color payoff and glides on seamlessly to deliver a healthy lit from within flush of color. Formulated with hibiscus extracts to encourage a fresher, more radiant complexion, and cornstarch and cannelin clay for a silkier transition and longer lasting wear, even on oily skin. I'm not thrilled about cornstarch. I don't want cornstarch in my makeup. And you would think with Seraphine Botanicals that it would be all natural, and cornstarch to me is not all natural. Anyway, this retails for $48. There's a bunny, so it's cruelty free. And it has a 12-month shelf life. Made exclusively for BoxyCharm is what it says on the back of the box. So let's see what it looks like. And there's the packaging. Inside the box it looks the same. Everything is the same, even on the back. It has a shade saver. And there's what the palette looks like. Very pretty. Turn it this way so we can read the names. Hibiscus, Creamy Rose here. And then we have Petal, which is a silky pink. Harvest, which is a golden nude. And Dewdrop, which is Illuminating Gleam down here in the bottom. That's very pretty. I really do like that. But again, I'm not crazy about putting cornstarch on my skin. So I will probably not keep that. I will do a little bit of research first and make up my mind. So those are all the items in my base box. Let me add those up real quick and see what the total value is. The total value of my box is $187, which is a great value since I paid $23 when I signed up for the base box. I signed up 3 months at a time so that I could save a little bit of money. But sadly, I had to cancel because they tricked me into signing up for the premium box. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I open my BoxyCharm Base box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel, and it really would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, this Whish Powerfully Effective Naturals Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with baklava, bakcholi, how do you say it again? Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol, Christopher, is how you say it. It's Bakuchiol. It's an alternative to retinoids. It's Bakuchiol, okay? So, Bakuchiol, I think it's supposed to be natural. I wonder what Bakuchiol would do for fish. I mean, it's a lip mask, so like when you hook the fish and you've hurt them a little bit. I know you don't like that now. You've bought that stuff to put on them to make them be better. I wonder if this lip mask would help them. Do you think? Maybe we should try it if this doesn't work out for your mama. I wonder if it's going to give your mama fish lips. I don't know. We're going to try it and I'll let you know, okay? But if you want to make the fish heal up and be pretty, you can get some of this baklava, bakuchi. Yeah, this stuff. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.